Hello everyone. Good evening all. So guys, can you able to hear me? Hello Sharon, Lakshman, Renu Gupta. So guys, just let me know. Can you able to hear me? Can you able to see me? Are we live now? So guys, just confirm if you can able to see me. Just confirm it once so that we can start. Hello Lakshman, how are you? So hello Techie Wizard. So guys, can you able to hear me? Can you able to see me? Are we live now? Okay, good, good. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Chalo then let's start. So guys, welcome to 3000 practice problems. And today we are going to start mathematical reasoning, guys. So as we are going to start mathematical reasoning today, so let me tell you about this chapter, guys. This is very easy chapter. Mathematical reasoning is very easy chapter, and this chapter is there only in mains. It is not there in advanced. And compulsory one question from this chapter in mains. Out of 25 questions, compulsory one question from mathematical reasoning. And very easy to score this 4 marks, guys. Very easy to score 4 marks. Why? Because as this is very small topic, hardly it will take 2 or 3 hours to revise entire chapter. So there are hardly 50 to 100 problems. Whatever book you open, you will find only 50 to 100 problems in this chapter, mathematical reasoning. Otherwise, you can start solving previous year questions also. Even if you complete previous year questions also, you'll get the concepts about all this mathematical reasoning. Okay. Yeah, correct, exactly. We can skip and we can eliminate few options. Exactly. Sharon, what you're asking, please give information about new pattern of mains. See, new pattern, it is not finalized yet. Correct or not? Official announcement has not came yet. I think still they are modifying it. Once it came out, we can conclude it. Okay. Right. Hello guys. So let's start. So guys, let me introduce myself. Myself, Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years of teaching IIT-JEE maths. Previously, I have worked in Narayana Chennai campus, Hyderabad, and before that, I have worked in Akash, Bangalore. Okay. Today it came out. Okay, right. Chalo, guys. So, guys, to solve problems from mathematical reasoning, if you know this table, if you know this truth table, then it is good. If you can remember this truth table, then it is easy to find the solutions of all these questions easily. So let's see how we can analyze this analyze this truth table first. So let's say if two statements A and B, a statement A can be either true or it can be false. It can be either true or false. Same way with the statement B, it can be either true or false. So total how many combinations of A and B we have is total 4 combination: true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So 4 combinations we have. For this 4 combination, this is A and B. A and B. So by using this proposition and, we are connecting these two simple statement and we are making a compound statement. So A and B is a compound statement. So when A and B is true is whenever A and B both are true, then only it is true. Remaining all cases it is false. See here. And A or B, when A or B false is, when A false, B false, then only it will be false. Remaining all cases it is true only. Okay. And this is A implies B, guys. That means if A, then B statement. A implies B, implication symbol, this one. Arrow symbol is implication symbol. So if A is true, B is false, then only it is false. Remaining all cases it is true. Okay. Next, A double implies P. This is a double implication symbol. So A double implies B. A double implies B is true when A and B both are true or both are false. Guys, is it clear? Both are true, both are false. And this is a negation symbol, guys. A complement, we call it as negation. So negation means if A is true, negation of A will be false. If A is false, negation of false is true, like that. So negation of true will be false, negation of false will be true. Guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this truth table. If you understand this truth table, we can able to do these problems very easily. Okay, let's see what is tautology. Which of the following is tautology? Tautology means always true, guys. That means what he is trying to ask here is which of the following statements are always true. Always true means what? Whether you take P true, Q true, P false, Q false, P true, Q false, P false, Q true. So whatever substitution you have taken, we should get always true. So let's check it. Let's take one substitution, okay? So let me take one substitution. Let's take some simple substitution here. First substitution I am taking is P is equals to true, I am taking it. And Q also true, I'll take it. Okay, let's take it. Let's take this substitution. So if I take this substitution, P true, Q true, let's see what will happen. Here P implies Q. P implies Q means what? True implies true. But true implies true is what, guys? True implies true is true. So can I say that this one is true? This is true. And Q implies true. Q implies true also true. So are we getting true? Yes, we're getting true. So we couldn't eliminate first option. Same substitution. Can we apply it for second one and third one? Okay, let's try it. Let's see what we get. So when we apply for the third one, let's see what we get. The negation of P is false. False and anything is false only. So we're getting false implies true, we're getting it. So what is false implies true? True only. So we couldn't eliminate it. Correct. What about second one? Second one also we couldn't eliminate. We are not able to eliminate second one. Yes, second one also we are getting true only. And what about fourth one, guys? Fourth one, let's calculate the fourth one. P implies true. P implies true means what? True implies true. True implies true is becoming true. In the truth table, you can see this truth. So this is a negation of true, that is false. So true or false, again true. So that means we couldn't eliminate anything. With this substitution, we couldn't eliminate anything. That means we have taken a bad substitution. But how do we know which substitution we should take? So guys, if you keep practicing it, you'll get to know which type of substitution will give you the answer quickly. Okay, right? Whatever substitution we have done till here, we didn't get the answer. So what we'll do is we'll take another substitution. Let's take another substitution. P is equals to true, you take it, and Q is equals to false, you take it. MCQ batch physics, Nitin Sachin sir is taking. Priyanshu. Okay, right. So let's take this substitution. If you take this substitution, let's see what will happen. So this is becoming true implies false. Guys, true implies false is what? True implies false is false. So can I say that this is a false? And see, false and anything is false only, guys. Can I eliminate first option? Why? Because the tautology means always true. It has to be always true. But when we take this substitution, P true, Q false, am I getting false or not? Why? Because P is true. True implies false. True implies false is what? False. So false and anything is false. So we can say that this is going to be false, but it is not true. This is not always true. So first option got eliminated. Next, let's go to the second option. So what is the second option? We have negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? True. True or P and Q. P and Q is false. True or false is false, guys. False implies Q. Q is what? False. False implies false is true. We couldn't eliminate this option. Let's take another option. Let's take a third option. If you take the third option, negation of P, which is false. False and anything is false only. False implies Q. Q is also false. We're getting true. So third option also we couldn't eliminate. Next, fourth option. Let's take the fourth option. Q implies true. Q implies true is true. True or anything is true only. So we are getting true. So we couldn't eliminate any one of these options. Only option I can eliminate it is first option. Guys, is it clear? Right. So now first option got eliminated. Guys, first option got eliminated. Now let's take another substitution. Next substitution we can take is P false, we can take it. Q is equals to false, we can take it. Okay. So if we take this substitution, let's substitute in any of the options. Let's take it here. Third option, we'll take the third option. Third option is what? Negation of P. Negation of P is a true. True and false. False, we are getting it. False implies false. Yes, we're getting true. So we couldn't eliminate it. Next, second option. Second option is negation of Q. True. True or anything is true only. And a negation of Q, we are getting it. Q here is false. So true implies false is false, guys. Yes. Second option I eliminated. Everyone understood how I eliminated second option. If I substitute P false and Q false here, let me explain again. This is becoming negation of Q. Negation of Q is a true. True or anything is true only. See here. True or anything is true only, guys. True or anything is true only. And implies Q is false. True implies false. True implies false is what, guys? True implies false is false. So we can say that it is false. So if it is false, it can't be tautology. Tautology means what? Always true. So it is not always true. We are getting false. So first option, second option eliminated. So now the answer is third option or fourth option. Let's substitute in the fourth option. Same substitution. Let's do it here. So tell me how much we get. Q implies P. That is false implies false, which is true. True or anything is true only. So we couldn't eliminate it. Now let's take another substitution, guys. Only substitution which is remaining is P is equals to false and Q is equals to true. Yeah, this is the substitution we wanted to try. Let's substitute it in the third option. If you substitute it in the third option, negation of false is true. So true and PRQ is also true. So implies Q is what? True. True and true is true. True implies true is true. So yes, we're getting true. And fourth option, if you verify the fourth option, true implies false. False, we are getting it. False are next, tell me what is it? Negation of P implies Q. P implies Q is what? False implies true, which is true. Negation of true is what? False. False are false, false. So fourth option is eliminated. Only third option is satisfying. That means only third option is giving always true. Remaining all options, some or other substitution, it is becoming false, guys. So we eliminated three options and we are getting the third option as the answer. Understood? How we are doing it? We are just taking a simple substitutions and we are eliminating the options. Our aim is to eliminate three options. Clear? Right. Chalo, let's move to the next one. So the answer is third option. Next one. So the proposition P implies a negation of P and negation of Q is equivalent to simple. This also same method we'll do it. What we'll do is we'll take a simple substitution. Let me take the substitution P true, we'll take it, and Q is equals to true, we'll take it. Let's see what we'll get it. So when we calculate this, left hand side, that means given question is becoming left hand side is becoming like true implies. So guys, true implies a negation of P and a negation of Q. Negation of Q will become false and this whole thing is false. Negation of false will become true. But true implies true is true. So that means according to the substitution P true, Q true, we are getting left hand side is true. So right hand side also true. That means options also it should be true. So let's verify the first option. First option, if you calculate negation of P is what, guys? False. False are true. False are true is true only. We couldn't eliminate first option. What about second option? Second option is negation of P. That is false. False and Q. But what is false and true, guys? False and true is false only. So can I eliminate second option? We should get true. But we got false. Correct. Now let's eliminate the third option. So third option, negation of P. Negation of P is false. R, false. Are we getting false? Yes, third option got eliminated. Next, fourth option, Q. Q is what? True. So fourth option, we couldn't eliminate it. Guys, is it clear? So in one simple substitution, we could easily eliminate it two options. Second option and third option. Guys, all these questions are 2020 questions, guys. Right. So now let me take one other substitution. So as we have taken one substitution here, this is one substitution. Let me take the second substitution. In second substitution, can I take P is equals to true and Q is equals to true. Q is equals to true is over, right? Q is equals to false. Can I take it like this? Okay, 1 second. We need to eliminate first option and fourth option. One of these options we need to eliminate. So what we'll do is P I will take false, guys, and Q I will take true. Let's see what will happen. Same only we are getting it. So let's take false, false. Let's take false, false, guys. Let's take P false and Q also false. Why? Because if I take P false, Q false, let's see what will happen. This is becoming false. What about this one? This one is becoming true. So opposite we are getting it. Clear? Yeah, Lakshman, this method is easy. So yeah, you don't need to remember the properties, guys. Without remembering the properties, just by taking the substitution, we'll get the answer easily. Clear? Right. So let me take this substitution. Why I am taking false, false is I want to eliminate first option and fourth option. If I take false, false, fourth option is becoming false and first option is becoming true. So easily I can able to eliminate one option by taking false, false. So let's take false, false. If I take false, false, what is my LHS, guys? Let's calculate LHS. LHS is, so tell me, false implies, but false implies anything is true only. Can I say it like this? See, false implies anything is true only, guys. False implies anything is true only. So we don't need to calculate that. Okay, we are getting true. But in the options where we are getting true, so this fourth option is becoming false, guys. Can I eliminate fourth option? Yes, fourth option got eliminated. Only option remaining is second option, first option. That's it. That is the answer. Everyone understood how we are eliminating three options easily. I just taken two substitutions. With these two substitutions, I am eliminating three options. Only one option is remaining. That is the answer. First option is the answer. Yes, first option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Right, chalo. Let's move to the next one. Next one is PQR are three statements such that truth table should give, truth value should give F. Then the truth values of PQR is how much? Simple, guys. He is giving four options. Let's verify four options. Okay. Let me verify the first option, guys. First option, if I want to verify it. P value, how much he gave? True he gave. True and Q. Q is how much? Q is false. Okay. Implies. Negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? True. R. R value is how much? True. So this is given as F. But actually when we calculate this, how much we get it is true and false is false, guys. False implies true or true is true. This is giving true, but he is saying false. So can I say that first option got eliminated? Can I say that first option got eliminated? Why? Because if you substitute the first option there, we are getting true, but actually we need false. So first option got eliminated, right? So now let's verify the second option. As first option got eliminated, let me verify the second option. So tell me what we're getting second option. For the second option, if you substitute here, true and true implies negation of true. Negation of true is what, guys? Negation of true is false. R value is how much? R value is false. So tell me how much we're getting it. This we are getting like true implies false. But true implies false is how much, guys? See here. True implies false is false. So can I say that this value is false? That's what we need. That's what we need, right? We need false. So second option is giving false. If you substitute the second option, that means P is equals to true, Q is equals to true, R is equals to false. If you substitute all these values here, yes, whatever he is saying, it is satisfying. So can I say that second option is the answer? So we are lucky we got the answer in second option only. Suppose if the answer is fourth option, then we want to do all the four options we need to verify. But luckily, second option is the answer. Within 1 minute, we are getting the answer. Guys, is it clear? Suppose if first option is the answer, then we'll get the answer in seconds. Isn't it or not? Right. So the answer is second option. Clear? Chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next one. So which of the following two statements are correct? Statement 1 and statement 2. So QRP implies P double implication negation of Q is tautology. Okay. And he is saying second statement is fallacy. So tautology means what and fallacy means what, guys? What is tautology and fallacy? Tautology means always true. Tautology means it should give always true. Fallacy means what? What is meant by fallacy? Fallacy means always false. Always false. Okay. Right. So guys, tautology means always we should give true. Fallacy means always false. Right. We need to check whether the given two statements are true or not. So what we'll do is either we can take a truth table or you can take a substitution. Okay. So let me take the substitution, guys. I am taking P true, Q true. I am just taking a substitution. If I take the substitution, S1, let's see what is S1, guys. S1, how much we're getting it? Let's see. S1 is true or true. True or true is what? True only. So true implies. Here how much we're getting, guys? This is true and this is false. Negation of true is false. True double implies false is what, guys? True double implies false is false only. So can I say that this is false? That implies we are getting false. True implies false is how much, guys? True implies false is false. So whatever he is saying S1, is it true or false, guys? Tell me. Is it first statement, is it correct or not? He is saying a tautology, but for this substitution P true, Q true, I am getting false. What does that mean? Is it wrong statement only? So statement 1 is wrong or not? I have taken true and true. I have taken true and true. If I take true and true, I am getting true, and false I am getting it. True implies false is false. So I should get false, but here he is saying tautology. So whatever he is saying, statement 1 is incorrect statement. So statement 1 is incorrect statement. So third option is eliminated. Fourth option is also eliminated. Correct or not, guys? Statement 1 is incorrect statement. Perfect. We eliminated two options. With simple substitution, we eliminated two options. Now, we need to eliminate one more option. So for that, let me take one more substitution. So S1 is over. So S2 we need to calculate. Let's take S2 for the same substitution. Same substitution. I just want to calculate S2. So tell me, what is S2? S2 is a negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? False. So false and anything is false, guys. So S2 is satisfying for this. For this substitution, S2 is satisfying. Okay. Maybe some other substitution S2 may not be correct. So what I'll do is I'll take one more substitution. One substitution is over here. So let me take the second substitution. Second substitution I can take is here is P false, Q false. I will take this substitution and verify the second statement. So let me try this second statement, guys. So tell me what we get it. S2 is equals to negation of Q. Negation of Q is what? True. And then next negation of P. Negation of P is what? Negation of P is true. True implies false. True implies false is false, and we're getting false. Again we are getting false. Okay. Statement 2 also. What, Akhil? What is your doubt? Statement 2, again we are getting false. One more substitution we'll take it. What substitution is remaining it, guys? Third substitution is, next we'll take P false and Q true. Okay. Right. So now let's verify S2. If I want to verify S2, so tell me negation of Q is what? Negation of Q is true. And negation of P is what? Negation of P is true. True implies true is what? True. Are we getting true, guys? Are we getting true? But what he is saying? He is saying fallacy. For this substitution P true, Q true, P false, Q true, we are getting true. But he is saying fallacy. Fallacy means what? Always false. But we are getting true, right? For this substitution P false and Q true. Let's verify it again. If I substitute P is equals to false and Q is equals to true here, negation of Q, negation of false is true. Negation of P is what? True. True double implies true. See here, true double implies true is true. So we can say that here true and true is true. But we are getting true. But he is saying fallacy. So whatever statement he is saying, second statement, that is also wrong. So can I say that statement 2 is also wrong? So what is the answer? Is it second option? Guys, everyone understood this? How we are getting the second option easily? Correct? Perfect. So second option is the answer. Okay? Right. Next, fifth question. Negation of the Boolean statement. Simple, guys. This is also, he's asking negation of this whole thing. So let's calculate left hand side. Left hand side we are getting like negation of x double implies negation of y. That's what we need to calculate. So guys, maybe you may remember the formulas, you may remember the properties, or you may not be remembering the properties. But if you want to verify it, you don't need to remember any properties. If you know this truth table, that is enough. So try to learn this truth table, guys. You need to remember this truth table. If you can remember this truth table, you don't need to remember any properties. Directly you can get the answer. Okay, chalo. Let's do this. So can I take one substitution? Let's take one substitution, guys. What happened? Let's take simple substitution like x is equals to true, I'll take it, and y is equals to true, I'll take it. If I take this substitution, what we are getting left hand side? Left hand side, it is like negation of true double implies. Negation of y is false. But true double implies false is what, guys? True double implies false is false. Negation of false, true. So we should get true. Let's see which option it is giving true. If it is giving false, we need to eliminate. First option, x and y. X and y is what? True. True and anything is true only. Okay, true and anything is true only. Okay, first option is satisfying it. What about second option? Second option is x and y. X and y is true. Okay, next false and false. Negation of x is false. False and false is false, which is giving false. So is it correct? Second option got eliminated or not? Second option got eliminated or not, guys? We have taken a substitution x true, y true. Left hand side we calculated, we are getting true. That is, question is true. Answer also true, but second option is giving false. So second option got eliminated. Next, let's calculate the third one, guys. Third one, what we getting it? True and false. True and false is false only. Next, false and true. False and true also false only. Are we getting false, guys? False or false? Are we getting false? What does that mean? Can we eliminate third option? Why? Because according to the substitution, left hand side is coming true. So right hand side also we should get true. So third option got eliminated. Can I say it like this? Next, fourth option. What is the fourth option, guys? Fourth option, negation of x. That is false and true. False and true is false only. False or false, we are getting it. False or false is what? False. Can I eliminate fourth option? Fourth option also I am getting false. Only first option is correct. So guys, see here. Within simple substitution, we could able to eliminate three options. And if you can do this quickly, we can get the answer within 1 minute, guys. Sometimes you may get it in 30 seconds also. If you can learn this truth table thoroughly, it should remember, guys. If you can remember this, we can get the answer within seconds. For your understanding purpose, I am teaching it very slowly, guys. But when we wanted to do it, we don't need this much time, right? This much slowly we won't do it. We'll do it quickly, right? So we can get the answer in seconds. So this question, if you take x true and y true, we can able to get the answer in 15-20 seconds. We can get it easily. Our aim is to just eliminate three options. We eliminated three options with one substitution. Clear? Right. First option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Right. Chalo. Let's do the next question. The statement is contradiction tautology equivalent to P and Q or negation of Q, whatever it is. So tell me, guys, contradiction, we know it. What is contradiction, guys? What is the meaning of contradiction? Contradiction means always false. Fallacy and contradiction has same meaning. Fallacy or contradiction means always false. We call it as contradiction. Tautology also always true. Tautology means always true. Fallacy or contradiction means always false. Right. So can we do this question without using any properties, anything? Can we take a substitution and simplify this? Let's take a substitution. What substitution we can take it? Let's take P true, Q true. Okay. If I take P true, Q true. So tell me what we're getting it. Given statement, what we're getting is true implies here what is it? True implies true. True implies true is what, guys? True implies true is true. And again true implies true. Again true implies true is true only. True implies next here what is it, guys? P. P is what? True only. Next true or true, true or true, true only. True implies true is what? Again true only. So finally true implies true. So true implies true is what? Is it true? Yes, we're getting true. So what does that mean? It is for the substitution P true, Q true, we are getting true. So if it is true, can I eliminate first option? Guys, can I eliminate first option? First option got eliminated. Why? Because he is saying always false, but we got true. First option got eliminated. Same way, can we eliminate third option? What is the third option, guys? Third option is P and Q. P and Q is what? P and Q is true. Or true or anything is true only, guys. So okay, third option is also satisfying it. What about fourth option? Let's verify the fourth option. PRQ. PRQ is what? True, na? Can we say that it is true? True and negation of P, false. So are we getting false? Yes, we're getting false. Can we eliminate fourth option? Given statement, we are getting true for the substitution. But fourth option is giving false. First option is giving false. Can I eliminate first option and fourth option? Right, first option and fourth option got eliminated. So what should be the answer? Answer is either second option or third option. Can we take another substitution? Guys, can we take another substitution to make it? Can we eliminate one more option by taking one more substitution? So tell me what substitution you want me to take. What substitution you want me to take? So can we take true is over? Can I take false? Can I take P false and Q also false? Can I take it like this? Okay, right. So left hand side means given question. So tell me, given question is becoming false implies Q implies P. Q implies P is also false implies false. Let me write it here. False implies false is how much, guys? False implies false is true. And this whole thing implies, so tell me what we're getting here. So this is false implies. So tell me, guys, what is this? False or false is false. So can I say that this is false? So finally, how much we're getting it? False implies true. False implies true is how much? True only. And false implies false. False implies false also true. True implies true. True only. Are we getting true? Yes, we're getting true. So left hand side we got true. Okay, tautology is satisfying. What about third option, guys? Let's verify the third option. Third option, if you verify it, P and Q, how much we're getting it? That means false and false. False and false is false only. Or negation of Q is what? A negation of false, which is true. Yes, we're getting true. That means we couldn't eliminate any of the option for this substitution. So we need to take one more substitution. Let's take one more substitution. Okay. Next substitution, third substitution, I am taking P true, Q false. Let's see what will happen. So left hand side you calculate, guys. If you calculate left hand side, let's see what we get it. Left hand side, when we take it, true implies false implies true. False implies true is true. True implies true is true, guys. Okay, true implies next here. This is a true and this is a true or false. True or false is true, guys, and then true implies true is true. So true implies true, we are getting it, which is equals to true. Okay, tautology is satisfying. What about third option? So third option we verified. Next, what we're getting here is, here also we are getting true and Q. True and false. True and false is false, or negation of Q. Negation of Q is again we're getting true. So yes, we're getting true. So third option also satisfying it. So that means this is the bad substitution we are doing it. That means what we need to take is one more substitution we should take is P false and Q true, we should take it, guys. Let's take P false and Q true. Let's take P false and Q true. P false, Q true. Now tell me, guys. Now tell me what we're getting it. So tell me, if you take P is equals to false and Q is equals to true, left hand side we'll calculate first. Left hand side is becoming false implies anything is false, true only, guys. So true implies here. False implies anything is true only. So we can say that true implies true, which is true. Now let's take it for third option. Third option, what we're getting is, third option is false and true. False and true is false, we're getting it. Or negation of Q is false. We are getting false. What does that mean? Left hand side we are getting true, but third option is giving false. Can I eliminate third option? Correct. 3000 questions are from different chapters, guys. Complete syllabus, 3000 problems. How can we solve 3000 problems from single chapter? If you solve single chapter 3000 problems, what is the use, guys? Guys, is it clear? We need to complete 3000 problems from all chapters. Okay. Right. So we eliminated three options. First option eliminated, third option eliminated, fourth option eliminated. So only answer is second option. That's it. Second option is the answer. Correct. So it is a total. Perfect. Yeah, next question. Negation of the Boolean expression is equivalent to, same, guys, left hand side I am writing it here. Left hand side is negation of PR, negation of P and Q. This is what we're getting it. So what I'll do is, I'll take a substitution. Let's take the first substitution. First substitution I want to take P true, Q true. Okay, I will take this substitution. Let's see what will happen. Okay. So tell me, guys, what will happen? So if I take P true, Q true, and if you substitute in the left hand side, what we get it, guys? Left hand side is becoming like negation of true or anything is true, and we are getting false, guys. In the options, let's see where we are getting false. Okay, here we are getting false. And what about here? Here also we are getting false. And here also we are getting false. And here we are getting true. So can I eliminate fourth option? So guys, clear? Understood, na? Sharon. Right. So we eliminated fourth option. For this particular substitution, we eliminated fourth option. So let me take one more substitution. Second substitution, I will take P false and Q false, I'll take it. So if I do that, what is left hand side? Tell me. Left hand side is becoming negation of false or so tell me, negation of P is what? True. True and false is false only. So am I getting true? Guys? So now tell me where I am getting true. So first option, I am getting true and true. True and true is true only. Second option, false and true is false. So second option got eliminated. Next, third option what I am getting is true or true. True or true is true. So first option and third option is remaining. Now can we take one more substitution? Right, let's take one more substitution, guys. So now this time what I'll do is, before taking the substitution, I will verify it. Let's take P false, Q false. Suppose, let's say, if I take P false, Q false, what is the third option and first option? Just check it. First option I am getting true. Oh, P false, Q false already I have taken, guys. Sorry. P false, Q false already I have taken. So let's take P false, Q true, I'll take it. Right. Now if I take P false and Q true, what is my first option is becoming? Tell me. Is it becoming false? Yes. What about third option is becoming, guys? Third option is becoming true. Okay. Both are becoming opposite results we are getting it. So easily we can able to eliminate one option if I take this substitution P false and Q true. Okay. Right. So let's take left hand side. If you take left hand side, what are we getting, guys? Left hand side, if you take it, negation of false or negation of false, true and true we are getting it. So which is equals to negation of true we get it, which is equals to false we are getting it. So in the options false where we are getting it, let's check it. So what about first option, guys? First option is false we are getting it. What about third option, guys? Third option we are getting like negation of P, true, or negation of Q. Negation of Q is false. We are getting true, but actually we should get false. Can I eliminate third option? Yes. First option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Understood? What is the answer? First option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Abnormal tickle. Understood, na? Everyone understood this. Three options are eliminated, guys. Three substitutions, three options are eliminated. Three substitutions, three options are eliminated. Sometimes within one option, one substitution, three options get eliminated. Already we have checked. One of the question with the simple substitution, three options are getting eliminated. Clear? Right, perfect. So, chalo guys, let's do one more question. Right, this is the next question, 8th question. P implies Q and Q implies negation of P, which is equivalent to. So guys, this question is very easy. Very easy question. We'll get the answer within 20-30 seconds. You can get it. So anyone want to try this question? Guys, you want to try this question? Will you try this question? Guys, start doing this question and tell me the answer, guys. Everyone start doing this question and tell me the answer. Let's see who will give the answer in 1 minute. You understood how to get the answer by taking substitution. We have done 7 problems till now by taking same method. All 2020 problems we are doing by using same technique, guys. Remember, understood this technique? Take a substitution, verify the options, eliminate 3 options. Only one option will be remaining, that is the answer. Substitution and elimination, that's it. So tell me, guys, what is the answer? Anyone done this? Satvik, what is it? Do it, man. Lakshman, Satvik, abnormal tickle. What is the answer? Third one? Are you getting third one, guys? Okay. Option 3, very good. Lakshman, Ankita, Satvik, very good, guys. Chalo, simple, guys, very simple. What we can do is, let's take a substitution. Let me take the first substitution. P is equals to true, I'll take it, and Q is equals to true, I'll take it. So in that case, left hand side is how much we're getting, guys? Left hand side is coming like P implies Q, true implies Q, guys. True implies true, true implies true is true only. And next, what is this? True implies negation of true. Negation of true is false. True implies false. True implies false will give you false. So total how much we getting, guys? We are getting false. But according to the substitution, this is true, eliminated. According to the substitution, this is true, eliminated. Correct or not? And these two are satisfying. This is giving false and this is also giving false. So third option and fourth option is satisfying. Okay, we eliminated one option. Now our aim is to eliminate one more option. So let's take one more substitution. So this time what I'll do is, this time I will take P true, Q false. Opposite I'll take it. Why I am taking opposite is, if I take P true, this is becoming false. If I take Q false, this is becoming true. So easily I can able to eliminate one option. So if I take this option, left hand side, how much I am getting it, guys? Left hand side, true implies false. True implies false is false. False and anything is false only, guys. False and anything is false only. So we are getting false, but where we are getting false? Yes, here we are getting false. What about here? Here we are getting true. So can I eliminate fourth option? Yes. Three options got eliminated. Only one option remaining. That is the answer, third option. Correct? So guys, is it correct? Perfect. Chalo, third option is answer. Yes, next question, guys. Which of the following statements is a tautology? Guys, start doing this question. Tautology means what? Already we discussed. Tautology means always true. So always we should get true, guys. Whatever substitution you take it, we should get always true. So whether you take true, true, false, false, true, false, false, true, whatever substitution out of these four substitutions, whatever substitution you take it, you get the same answer. That is true. We should get it. Let's check it. So guys, this truth table is very, very important, guys. You need to remember this truth table. If you remember this truth table, 4 marks in your pocket. If you remember this truth table, 4 marks in your pocket. Compulsory question from mathematical reasoning, and if you can learn this truth table, you can able to get the answer in 1 minute. Easily, 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Sometimes you'll get less than 1 minute, sometimes maybe it will take 2 minutes, but definitely you can score well from this chapter. Okay. Right. So tell me guys, anyone done this question? So you can take simple substitution, guys. Maybe you can take false, false, or true, false, or whatever you want, you can take it. Out of these 4 substitutions, you can take any one substitution, you take it. Yeah, correct. This is A complement, or you can write it like this also, guys. This A complement, you can write it like this, or you can write it like this. Anything is same. Both are same. Both are same. Yeah, Satvik. Option 2 eliminated. Okay, very good. So guys, keep eliminating the options. This method is very powerful method, guys. You will get the answer easily. Just take a simple substitution and eliminate options, and keep eliminating the options, and finally we will eliminate 3 options and get the answer. Very easily you can score 4 marks in this topic. Okay. So what I can say is, in entire JEE mains, this is the easiest topic. Why? Because this entire chapter you can complete in 2 to 3 hours, guys. Complete chapter you can able to revise it. You can able to learn it in 2 to 3 hours. Okay. So we'll take 3 classes. We'll take it, guys, in this. So this is the first class. So keep coming to the next 2 classes. You can able to learn everything in this chapter, and 4 marks in your pocket. Okay, chalo. Let's take a substitution. Let me take a simple substitution. So tell me guys, what substitution we can take it? Can we take P true and Q true? Right. If I take P true, Q true, let's see what is first option is becoming. First option is becoming like negation of true or false. True or false is what? True or false is true, guys. Negation of true is what? False. So false implies next true or false. True or false is what? True or false is true only. So are we getting true? Yes, first option we're getting true. Right? Third option correct, huh, Harshit? Okay. Anyone got answer, guys? Okay, chalo. Let me verify the second option also. Second option is what? Negation of P and negation of Q. So am I getting like negation of false, which is true? Yes, true implies. Next, true implies true, which is true. Next is what, guys? Negation of this is becoming false. False implies anything. False implies anything is true only. Right. Next, true implies true we are getting, which is true. That means this is a bad substitution, guys. Let me tell you, this is a bad substitution. Why this is bad substitution is, I couldn't eliminated one option also. So this is very bad substitution. So don't do this type of substitutions again. Guys, is it clear? I couldn't eliminated at least one of the options. So I think I have taken the bad substitution. So let's take some good substitution. So how do you get a good substitution or bad substitution is, when you practicing more number of problems, you'll get to know which substitution will eliminate more number of options. Okay. Right. So let me take again this substitution. P true I'll take it, and Q false I'll take it. So in that case, what is first option, guys, negation of true or true, true or true is true. So here we're getting false. False implies anything is true only. So I couldn't eliminate it. First option. Next, second option, negation of this. Negation of this is false, right? So false implies true. This is also true. We couldn't eliminate this. Next, what is it, guys? False implies anything is true. So again, we couldn't eliminate this. What about this? Next, true or true. So here we're getting true, and here we're getting false. So true implies false is false. Okay, finally I eliminated one option. Fourth option got eliminated. Clear? Set theory problems also good. Correct. Harshit, correct. Set theory problems also good, guys. So guys, I have solved the same problems, same mathematical reasoning problems by using set theory also. You can search my videos, guys. In YouTube, you can search my name, Praneet Kalyanam. You can search it. If you search my name, Praneet Kalyanam, you will get the mathematical reasoning, how we can solve mathematical reasoning by using set theory. Okay? So guys, is it clear? Right. Perfect. Right. So for this substitution, we could eliminate only one option. So now let's take another substitution. So in the second substitution, what I'll take is, I will take Q is equals to false and P is equals to false. Right, let's take this substitution. So if I take this substitution, first option is becoming false or true. False or true is true. Negation of true is what? False. So false implies anything is true. We couldn't eliminate. Next, second option. Second option is what? Negation of false and true. False and true is false. Negation of false is true. Okay. True implies. So this is false. We are getting it. True implies false is what? False. Okay. Second option finally we eliminated. Correct. Second option eliminated. Next, third option. Guys, let me try the third option. Third option is negation of. So this is becoming like false only we are getting it. Correct. False implies anything is true. So we couldn't eliminate third option. Okay. Second one and fourth one got eliminated, and the answer should be either first option or third option. Now let me take one more substitution. So tell me, guys, what is remaining? P false, Q true. This is the only remaining, guys. So let's substitute this value here. If you substitute this value here, let me try it in first option. First option is what? Negation of false or false. False or false is false. Negation of false is true. Okay. True implies true we are getting it, which is equals to true. Okay, right. So the answer must be first option, guys. Anyone got the first option? Anyone got the first option? Okay, right. Chalo, let's verify third option also. Third option is what? Negation of P or negation of Q. Negation of Q also false. False or false is false. Negation of false is true. Okay. True implies false we are getting it, which is equals to false, guys. Yes. Third option got eliminated. Guys, is it clear? So three options we eliminated, guys. What is the answer then? First option is the answer. Anyone got the first option? Few guys are saying third option is correct, but third option is not correct. First option is correct. Correct? So first option is the answer. Guys, everyone understood how we verified it? How we verified it? We are taking a substitution and verifying the options and eliminating it. Finally, three options got eliminated. But sometimes we are lucky, sometimes we are unlucky. Why? Because sometimes within 1-2 substitutions we can able to eliminate three options. Sometimes we need to take 4 substitutions to eliminate 3 options. Okay. If you are lucky, within 1-2 substitutions you can able to eliminate all options and you can save a lot of time. Correct? Okay, perfect. Chalo, let's do one more question. So guys, this is the last question we have. So fatafat we'll do it and then we'll end the session. So which of the following is tautology? Tautology means what? Always true. Which of the following is always true? That's what he's asking. So can we verify it easily? Can you verify it easily? Okay, this time I will take P is equals to true. P is equals to false, I'll take it, guys. Okay, P is equals to false, I'll take it. And Q is equals to maybe false, I'll take it. Okay, let's see. Let's see what will happen. Okay, right. So tell me, guys, anyone, at least anyone eliminated any of the options? If you substitute this, okay, let's see what is second option. Second option is what it is giving, guys. False are false and false. False and false is false only. It is giving false. Can I eliminate second option? What is first option, guys? First option is false and false. Again, this is also false. Can I eliminate first option also? See how easily we are eliminating two options, guys. How much time it is taking? Hardly 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, we could able to eliminate two options. Correct? Correct or not? Yes, exactly. Satvik, you're right. First option and second option we eliminated very easily. Perfect. So now let's verify remaining two options also. Next, second option, if I substitute here, false implies, but guys, false implies anything is true only. Okay, we couldn't eliminate it. Third option. What about fourth option? Let's verify fourth option. Fourth option is false and anything is false only. So false implies anything is true only, guys. Okay, we couldn't eliminate it. Third option and fourth option. No problem. Let's take one more substitution. Let's take one more substitution. If you take one more substitution, so tell me what substitution we can take it now. Can I take P true and Q true? Can I take it like this? P is equals to true and Q is equals to true. Let's take this substitution. So if I take this substitution, tell me what about third option? Third option is becoming like true implies. So true implies true is true, true and true is true. So true implies true, which is true, guys. Okay, we couldn't eliminate it. Third option. Let's verify fourth option. Fourth option also, I think a similar result you're getting it. So we need to take the third option. Third substitution is, let's take the third substitution. Third substitution we should take is P is equals to true, you take it, and Q is equals to false, you take it. Now let's verify the fourth option, guys. True and, so this is true implies false. True implies false is what, guys? True implies false is false. And true and false. True and false is false. False implies anything is true only. We couldn't eliminate fourth option, guys. Let's try to eliminate third option. What about third option? Third option is false implies. Okay, false implies anything is true only. No, we couldn't eliminate it this also. So finally, we need to take one more substitution, which is, what else remaining, guys? P false, Q true. This is remaining. So this we need to verify it. Let's verify. Let me verify fourth option, guys. Let me verify fourth option. Why? Because fourth option is something implies true. Something implies true is always true, guys. Correct? So we couldn't eliminate it fourth option. So that means fourth option is always satisfying it. For all four substitutions, fourth option is satisfying. Let me verify the third option, guys. Third option, what we getting it? True implies false and anything is false only. And are we getting false? Okay, third option got eliminated, guys. Guys, is it clear? Third option got eliminated and fourth option is the answer. Let's check it. Yes, fourth option is the answer. Correct? Everyone understood this? So we are taking these substitutions and we are eliminating options and we are getting the answers easily. Okay. Right, exactly. Correct. Sharon, you're right. Fourth option is correct. You said earlier only. Yeah, Satvik, you're right. You said first. Correct. So guys, so that's it for today. Again, we'll have this class on Friday. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Night to 9:30 p.m. or maybe sometimes 10 p.m. We'll have YouTube session, 3000 practice problems. Okay. Right, Harshit, definitely. So day after tomorrow, that is on Friday, we'll discuss 2019 questions. 2020 questions we finished. and then we'll do 2019 questions. Guys, is it clear? Chalo. Perfect, guys. Chalo then, see you on the next class. Everyone take care and good night, guys. Yeah, Satvik, definitely. So, guys, you start practicing problems from this chapter in any other book. Whatever book you take it, and you can start solving these problems by using these techniques. Okay? Right. Chalo, guys. Good night, Lakshman. Good night, everyone. Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. And see you again on Friday. Okay? Right. Bye bye.